Imagine walking into a room, and within just a few minutes, people naturally start liking you. They trust you, remember you, and even want to spend more time with you. Sounds like a superpower, right? But here's the surprising part, psychologists say it has very little to do with your looks, money, or popularity. In fact, most people are trying to impress others in completely the wrong way. So if you want to become someone people instantly admire, watch until the end, because the last trick is something almost nobody knows. The first secret is simple: stop trying to impress people. Yes, you heard that right. The harder you try to prove how smart, rich, or successful you are, the less impressive you become. People can quickly sense when someone is trying too hard. Real confidence is quiet. Truly impressive people don't need to announce their value. They naturally show it through their actions. The second secret is called the spotlight effect. Most of us think everyone is watching and judging us all the time. But the truth is, people are mostly thinking about themselves. So stop worrying about every small mistake. When you're relaxed, your confidence becomes natural, and confidence is one of the most attractive qualities anyone can have. Now here's a trick used by the world's best communicators: make people talk about themselves. Instead of trying to tell an amazing story, ask interesting questions. Listen carefully. Nod. Smile. Remember what they say. When people feel heard, their brain connects those positive emotions with you. They walk away thinking, I really like that person. Next, never underestimate the power of body language. Before you even speak, people have already formed an opinion about you. Stand straight. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Make comfortable eye contact. Smile naturally. These small signals tell the brain that you're confident, trustworthy, and approachable without saying a single word. Here's another psychological trick that instantly makes you memorable: remember people's names. Your name is one of the most personal words you'll ever hear. When someone remembers it and uses it naturally, your brain automatically pays more attention to them. It's a tiny habit with a huge impact. Now let's talk about something that secretly destroys your image: constant complaining. Everyone has problems, but people are naturally attracted to those who bring positive energy instead of endless negativity. This doesn't mean pretending life is perfect. It means focusing on solutions more than excuses. And finally, here's the secret most people never realize. The people who impress everyone aren't trying to be the most interesting person in the room. They're trying to make everyone else feel interesting. They respect others, stay humble, keep learning, and make people feel important. That's the real psychology behind charisma. So the next time you meet someone new, don't try to be perfect. Listen more than you speak. Smile with confidence. Use their name. Show genuine interest. And treat everyone with respect. Because people rarely remember what you said, but they always remember how you made them feel. If you enjoyed this psychology secret, hit the like button, subscribe to Reverse Mind Psychology, and let me know in the comments which habit surprised you the most. I'll see you in the next video.